Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs in Toca Boca. It's a fun and easy activity to do with your characters. We'll go through each step, from finding your ingredients to cooking them perfectly. Get ready to whip up a tasty virtual meal in just a few moments. Your Toca Boca friends will love this simple, yet satisfying, breakfast treat. First things first, let's gather everything we need. Head over to the refrigerator in your Toca Boca kitchen and grab a few eggs. Next, open up those kitchen cabinets to find a nice frying pan. Don't forget to pick up a spatula from the utensil drawer. It's essential for stirring. Having all your supplies ready makes the cooking process super smooth. Now for the fun part, cooking. Drag your frying pan onto one of the stovetop burners. Once it's heating up, crack open 2 or 3 eggs and drop them right into the pan. Use your spatula to gently stir the eggs around. Keep stirring until they are light and fluffy and cooked just the way you like them. It only takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once your scrambled eggs are perfectly cooked, it's time to serve them up. Drag the eggs from the pan onto a clean plate. You can even add some extra touches, like a piece of toast or a side of fruit, to make a complete breakfast. Watch your Toca Boca characters enjoy their delicious homemade scrambled eggs. Great job, chef.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.